Canada announced details of an agreement in principle whereby the government will provide billions of dollars to reform the First Nations child welfare system and compensate Indigenous children who have been victimized. The deal is slated to end a human rights challenge that was launched 14 years ago.
No amount of compensation can make up for the traumas that First Nations children, families, and communities have experienced. But this will begin the process of healing, and it will support families on that journey of healing. It will support individuals who have experienced extraordinary loss and harm.
The agreement provides $20 billion in compensation for children who were removed from their homes between April 1991 and March 2022, as well as their parents. Another $20 billion will be used to improve the child protection system in Indigenous communities. This amount also includes funds for the support of young Aboriginal adults who have gone through the youth protection system. The agreement in principle means that the groundwork has been decided, but final details have not been made. The deal was reached on December 31st and is expected to be negotiated before the end of March.
What we need to do is see the government actually implement these measures to stop the ongoing discrimination, and also really important, Todd, to make sure it never happens again to another generation of kids.
According to the Assembly of First Nations, the exact number of children who will be compensated is not yet known, but expectations estimated that more than 200,000 First Nations children were impacted by the program and would be eligible to receive funds. Canada's residential school system forcibly separated Indigenous children from their families in order to assimilate them into the dominant Canadian culture and to isolate them from the influence of their own Indigenous civilization.